In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Google Forms into a Word document efficiently and with ease. Let's get started. Firstly, open up Google Forms in your web browser. If you haven't created a form yet, take a moment to set up a sample form by entering all the necessary questions and answers you might need. Once your form is ready, ensure that you've reviewed it to make sure everything is correctly formatted and that there are no errors in your questions. This step is crucial because once it's converted to a Word document, making changes can be a bit more cumbersome. Now, it's time to export the responses from your Google form. Click on the Responses tab at the top of your form. Here, you'll see all the answers that have been submitted. To export these, click on the green Sheets icon. This will create a Google Sheets document with all the responses neatly organized. Having your data in Sheets makes it easier to work with and ensures you have a comprehensive view of all the information gathered through your form. With your responses displayed in Google Sheets, you'll want to convert this data into a more Word-friendly format. Navigate to the File menu in Google Sheets. From there, select Download and choose Microsoft Excel. This will download your spreadsheet as an Excel file to your computer. This step helps bridge the transition from Google Sheets to a format that Word can easily handle, giving you more flexibility in how you want your data structured. Next, you'll need to open the Excel file in Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once it's open, go through the document to ensure everything appears as expected. Adjust any columns or rows if necessary, as clean formatting in Excel translates to a tidy Word document. Pay special attention to the headers and any special formatting that might need tweaking here before the final transfer to Word. After you're satisfied with the Excel formatting, head back to the File menu in Excel. Select Save As and choose the PDF format. Saving as a PDF is an optional but recommended step, allowing you to maintain formatting consistency and avoid any potential compatibility issues that might arise during conversion. A PDF serves as a stable format that retains the layout and design you've worked on. Finally, open the PDF in any PDF reader and select the option to Save as Word or Export to Word, depending on your software. This will convert your PDF into a Word document. Once you've completed the export, open the Word document to check that all the formatting has been preserved and that everything appears as it should. You can now make any final modifications if necessary. And there you have it, a detailed method to take your Google Forms responses and transform them into a Word document. Don't forget to save your work frequently as you go through each step and review your final document carefully. Hopefully, this guide will make your data management tasks more seamless and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy converting.